Here we're given a one-to-one function as a set of ordered pairs. The first ordered pair xy is 1 7/2. The second ordered pair xy is -2 12. And the last ordered pair xy is the square root of 6, -1/2. Now you know that's a one-to-one function. They didn't tell you to check, but it's one-to-one because you don't see any x values with more than one y partner, and you see no y values with more than one x partner. Now, from this information, we're asked to find several things. F inverse, which will be another set of ordered pairs. The domain of F, that's all the possible x values. The domain of F inverse, all the possible x values in that one. The range of F, that's all possible y values. And the range of F inverse, all possible y values in the F inverse function. Okay, let's go ahead and write down once again. The function F is equal to the given set of ordered pairs. 1 7/2. -2, 12, and the square root of 6, -1/2. That implies the inverse function. Well, how do we find the inverse? We just switch the position of the x's and y's. So the first ordered pair will be 7/2 1 for xy. The second is 12 -2, and the third is -1/2 square root of 6. See, all we did was swap the x's and the y's to form the inverse function. Okay, so that's the answer to the first part of the question, F inverse. Next, we find the domain. The domain of the original function f is a list of individual numbers. It's not a list of ordered pairs. It's the x values in the original f function. So put your curly set brackets and just list numbers for the x values 1, -2, and square root of 6. The domain of the inverse is all the x values in the inverse function. But you know what? That's the same as the y values in the original f function. It is a set of numbers, 7/2, 12, and -1/2. So they represent the x values in the inverse function. The range of f are the y values in the f function. They are the numbers 7/2, 12, -1/2. And the range of the new inverse function, f inverse, are the y values in that function, which happen to be the same as the x values in the original f function. Oh, I made a typo there. I said the y values in f. I meant the y values in f inverse. So you want to notice that the domain of f is the same as the range of f inverse. That's because the x's are changed to y's in the f inverse function. And it's also noted that the domain of f inverse is the same as the range of f.